ठीक है। नमस्कारः, स्वागतम, शुभ सायंकालं, स्वागतम। प्रार्थयामः।
नमस्कार
गुरुजी।
नमस्कारः।
प्रार्थयामः।
महोदय जी।
ॐ असतो मा सद्गमय
सतगमय
सोमा
ज्योतिर्गमय
मा अमृतंगमय।
गमय
ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। अच्छा, so starting point में we need to see the doubts. Chapter number 1 completed. Chapter number 1, the two part, one is audio, one is rest other. ठीक है. So audio part, do you have any problem, sandeha, doubt, question? Audio area, subhasitam, sukti, katha, संग्रह विषया और प्रहलिका. These 5 areas, do you have any problem? No.
पहले प्रथम अध्याय में ना,
प्रथम अध्याय ना हम किया ना, ओनली प्रथम अध्याय में डन ना.
पेज 13 में
30
7 पेज 13 में 7
13
पेज 13 13 थर्ड है. तो 7th क्वेश्चन जो है त प्लस म प्लस य प्लस आम, कैसा लिखने के वास्ते उसमें पहले हाफ त देन हाफ म देन ये
आत्मा. आत्मा कैसे लिखते हैं? आत्मा, हाउ यू आर राइटिंग आत्मा? आत्मा.
त म.
So many ways.
लेकिन आत्मा बट ये आम लास्ट में या एंड आम भी है.
य में अ लग जाएगा ना, य हो जाएगा प्लस हलंत म हलंत म. See, every place व्यंजन वर्ण plus स्वर वर्ण, if you add it you will get a compound letter. You will get a compound letter ना.
Yes. Okay.
अभ्यास में जो ये वाला फिनिश हो गया ना, अभ्यास में 13वां नंबर 13 उसमें 13th पेज है. उसमें छठा है ये अध का अध त व अध देन आ.
We have discussed that na.
It's yeah, so just wanted to confirm, it is, how is it written? It is written ta
twa 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 twa. See, I said twa, you just hear me very clearly. Twa twa twa. That's a difference between pronunciation. Somewhat from starting point ka का कुछ आभास रहना चाहिए. Twa. Then how to write ka dha ta dha, then wa आकर. See, उसका अब लिखेंगे. का तो
आपकी स्क्रीन दिख नहीं रही है.
ओह या so ka to wa and a na wa then a. जब करते हैं so there व्यंजन वर्ण, so it will not have any swara varna. You have to remove swara varna. If you put this, you are removing all the swara varna there. Okay, ठीक है. So these two, how to write rakta, how to write? You make like this. To you put half. This is not half, actually some kind of full like this. You make like this, and you put a line here. Correct, no?
जी.
ये हो गया. Somebody if write this also, ka the slide take like this, and wa, this also will be okay. Twa. But normally this is not used. This is nothing wrong in this. Normal this is used. Ta plus you have to write this two. If you add, then it will be like this. This part you keep half of ta. Then this side you can extend like this and make wa and put akar. Ta. You can put this. Okay, this is very easily understandable, but normally written this way. With this together, another word is created like that. Then next is seventh wala.
तो पहले हम ता लिखते हैं।
हाँ, पहले वहाँ क लिखना चाहिए। मैंने ये बताया था आपको क्लियर, दिस पर्टिकुलर एग्जाम्पल डिस्कस्ड end of the class. Why you are not keeping in mind? I discussed last class very clearly. I said certain cases the second letter can be written also at beginning, very rare cases. This is one of the case where the ka is coming next, ta is coming first. Some cases will find out. Okay. Then coming to next one. Next one क्या है? का ma ya ना? आत्मा कैसे लिखते हैं? कैसे यार? का ma ya. हाँ हाँ जी। क्या कर आत्मा कैसे लिखते हैं? आत्मा तो म याद नहीं आ रहे।
आधा त म में बढ़ा की मात्रा।
ओके।
तो will be half and ma.
तो और एक स्पेशल लेटर है शायद, लगता है मुझे। तो ऐसा लिखते हैं क्या? म यहाँ लिखते हैं या?
जी सर।
जी।
हाँ अच्छा, ऐसा सादा लिखते हैं। अच्छा, सो ये तो म फिर यह हो गया। यह कैसे करेंगे? तो उसको हटा देंगे।
So ma will be half. Ma will be half.
हाँ, ऐसा हटा के फिर वहां
कितने बजे तक का है? यह करेंगे।
ये हो गया। फिर उसमें आ डालना, आ डालने से आ हो जाएगा। फिर ये म है, म को डाल देंगे। पुट द म हियर।
इसमें आ नहीं है, केवल अ है।
है तो और रखो।
The last
आम है तो आम रखो ना, इसको हटा दो।
आ त हलंत और म आत्मा,
इसको हटा दो, हो गया। सो त म य आपने जो दिया गया था, आपका 7 नंबर क्वेश्चन ऐसा है। दिस इज योर क्वेश्चन, राइट?
यस सर।
गिरिधर महोदय का जो प्रश्न था ये है ना? दिस इज योर क्वेश्चन, राइट? ये आपका आंसर। राइट ना? त्वम, ये 2 लेटर है। आ इसमें ऐड हो गया, म इज सेपरेट। मम, अत्म्यम। उसके पहले उसका एप्लीकेशन कैसा है? यू जस्ट पुट बिफोर दैट आत्मा। यू आर पुटिंग आत्मा, यू पुट इट बिफोर दैट, यू कैन पुट आ एंड सी द एप्लीकेशन। ये सिंगल लेटर नो आपको ऑकवर्ड लगता है ना? देन पुट इट आ बिकर। अत्वम, अत्वम क्या मीनिंग यार? आत्मा, अत्वम,
आत्म्यम, आत्म्यम।
Oh, that is different. हाँ, आत्म्यम, आत्म्यम। ओके, ठीक है, राइट। गेट युक्ताक्षर I have posted. No, why you are asking me this question, sir? I have given the a lot of things, 2, 3, 4, 5 pages. No, दिया ना आपको? नहीं दिया क्या?
हाँ दिया है।
पूरा चार्ट दे दिया, और मैं उसका लिंक भूल गया। अपने गूगल जाकर आप देख लीजिए, सहज मिलेगा। ये सिंगल सर्च विल गेट इट, नथिंग टू वरी। And I have, you need not worry, I have given in a beautiful form. But नहीं क्यों? ओके, मैं आपको अच्छा फॉर्म करके दिया था. You need to practice. Don't see only 4, 5. Here only 7, 8 items given. Don't focus on 7 items. That 33 letters are given here. No, 33 letters. This side is 33. That combination has been given. 2 letter. If you know the 2 letter, automatically 3 letter you can able to do. Are you getting? Hello.
WhatsApp पे भेजा.
Who is the other person asked the question?
Ama. Vikas.
Giridhar Mahodaya.
Yes, yes.
That chart, have a look to the chart. Mayank Mahodaya, have look that chart. Okay, वो चार्ट में आपको सब कुछ है, उसमें थोड़ा नजर डालेंगे तो आपका पढ़ना आसान हो जाएगा, लिखना आसान हो जाएगा. बट किताब में क्या दिया? ओनली 10 एग्जाम्पल. क्या फायदा? दैट इज कितना होगा? अराउंड 500 600. 33 into 33 is not 30 to 33. हाँ, 33 into 33. No. So it is 900 plus. उसमें है, आप थोड़ा नजर डालिए. और अगर ये है, आप 1 minute में आपको दिखा देता हूँ फिर.
Sir, in the second chapter, they have explained well about the Juktashar.
No problem. We will finish. We are not going to explain again. We will finish right now. You brought the item now, so let us complete this particular one. ठीक है ना? अक्षर 1 ये जो पहले दिया था, पार्ट 1 दोनों पार्ट करके दिया है. 1089 उसमें 33 and 33 30 मल्टीप्लाई करेगा तो कितना होगा? 1099 and this is 99 plus 9 1089 correct. 1089 correct. How you are multiplying 33 how you are multiplying? There is Vedic multiplication is there. Another directly multiply, no, 33 into 3 99, keep 9, take 9, 33 into 3 99 plus 9 1089. Directly you can use 33 table also. Yes, ये दिया गया ना. Then another page also there after that. इसका पर नजर नहीं डाला आपने, डालना चाहिए. So प क आएगा तो ऐसा आएगा, like that. उसमें और एक टेबल, इसमें 2 टाइप का है. इसी प क आएगा तो ये, फिर पहले क आएगा बाद में प आएगा तो यू हैव टू गो टू फर्स्ट टेबल. Go to first table and here you see in this table, see पहले क आया, you go to प this letter, first क next p. The other one is first p, that is first q next p. Here is p first q next, this letter. It is difficult to see here, it's very small letter. Those are using the laptop is possible, phone में नहीं होगा. You open in the please download in the computer, otherwise go to the site ना, अपने Google करके उसका आ जाइए. You can see exactly the same thing available. I just copied from there.
Which site you mentioned?
Just go to conjunct. All conjunct. You just go to search conjunct, you will get it. 3-4 options are there. You see, it's easy to get it. Not a problem. And already I've given ready-made things available. You need not to search it straight away. Need not to search. Sir, I have already given. You just download your computer what I've given. That is sufficient. You need not to go to the site also. ठीक है, हो गया ये. उसको थोड़ा नजर डालिए आप कैसे लिखते हैं. You have idea. वो आइडिया होने के बाद, this is much more than your lesson 2 or your book. Your book does not talk entire things. And this is there. ठीक है जी. Okay. Right. Yes. Any other things related to audio? Nothing is there. Okay. Abhyasa, this is over. Prashna, any other part?
इसमें एक डाउट मैंने पोस्ट किया था ग्रुप में.
हाँ, क्या बताइए? You have not got answer?
नहीं, वो कुछ हम आपस में डिस्कस कर रहे थे.
Why people not responding? Who have no answer, please respond. Take the responsibility to help others. Then only you will grow. हाँ जी, बोलिए कौन सा?
जैसे इसी में 13th पेज पे तीसरा प्रश्न है आंसर द फॉलोइंग क्वेश्चन। उसमें पहला है कहा पठती। तो क्या इसका आंसर उत्तर हमेशा सह पठती रामः पठती होना चाहिए या
why you are asking this question? Other people, why Vikas Mahad asking this question? Is the same question in your mind? Other people having same question in the mind or what? Please participate, yaar. You cannot act like very supta avastha, no? क्या है? शाम नहीं हुआ. 5 not 5 o'clock. Why are you sleeping? You are entering the class. Pravesa class, no. It is not exit time. You cannot bore. It is only entry time. So Pravesa means it is starting morning. Okay, not only America, in German also, in Australia also, you consider this morning. हाँ जी. बोलिए जी.
Sir, Mayank sir.
बोलिए.
Sir, कहा पठती. I think we discussed in the class and there was a doubt created that kaha means it is related to the female striling.
Why kaha? How became strilinga?
Kaha means pulling.
Sorry. It was ka pulling. Yeah, ka pulling. But the question was that it can be applicable to both, right?
Why both? Kaha?
No. I think applicable only to masculine. So that's why ka and the 2 dots, that is the pulling. They're asking about the boy. The boy means whichever boy. Ramaha, Gopalaha, yeah, patati.
Right,
you can say it.
Right.
Yeah.
Why not saha? Why not esaha? Why not
Because then this boy, no, this.
Why not saha?
Esha means this.
No, I'm not asking esaha meaning. I'm asking why not saha patati? Yeah. Why not esaha patati?
We can use saha also, sir.
भी यूज कर सकते हैं.
saha also can be used. Saha patati.
जल्दी बोलना ना, इतना लेट क्यों कर रहे हैं? It is so fundamental and starting. इसमें इतना क्यों सोच? No, nothing to think.
Yeah, saha patati is also okay. Sir, my question about the A section, the second one in the third section only.
बोलिए.
Kani patanti means only Kani patanti. It has to be.
Tell me.
Yeah, it is plural. Yes, but it is napunsak. No, that is like the neuter gender. Yeah, Kani patanti. So it has to be.
Wait, other people,
please.
Leaves or other people have to wait patiently. Other people, please mute.
Yeah, it has to be leaves or books or anything. Your pen, pencil, anything like that.
It may not be book also. It depends upon what sabda you are choosing. No, you cannot use English equivalent. You can say patram or pustakam, like that. It can be sanganakam.
Pustakam.
You can write also.
It has to be.
You can also write wife. No, you can write kalatram.
Sir,
mastakam.
Etani also be right, na? Etani be.
Why you are asking me? अरे यार तुम शरीर पूरा हेल्दी है, डॉक्टर को मिला तो थोड़ा दे दो ना विटामिन टैबलेट. ये क्या चल रहा है? Why you are asking this? Why not etani when asking kani? So etani, what is wrong etani? Other people, Mr. Sri Bhagini have a doubt. Can she use etani, tani?
Yes.
In this tani.
He is using earlier saha yasaha. Then why can't he use etani and tani? Why you are asking Mr. Sri Bhagini? शांत हो जाइए. Kani is bahuvachan or napusalinga. That is only the your requirement, no? For that, it can be etani, it can be tani.
It can be used, sir. Etani. Etani.
You tell me.
Patanti.
Is correct or not? You tell me. Ji.
Yes, correct. Sir.
Correct. I think they fall. They fall. Yeah.
Etani, tani. और क्या बोल सकते हैं?
That's what I said. No, any napunsang linga means books.
No, again you are telling
anything.
Don't say books are no related any linga. So that is other language. Don't go to the. You say pustakam, then I can agree. Don't say books. Books is meaningless. Okay. According to you, I'm telling you can write wives also. You can write wives also napusalinga.
Wives.
Right? Kalatrani patanti. Your wife, my wife, his wife, all wife are dancing or singing, they fall down. No problem. Kalatrani patanti. Then we will clap. Kalatrani patanti. Similarly, mastakani patanti. युद्ध हो रहा है, lot of सैनिक are losing the head. मस्तकानि patanti. Not only phalani, mitrani patanti. Mitra, my friends are falling down. So don't use English word. Don't get confused.
Yeah, we can use tata patati also. Tata patati.
Okay, Bhagini, you are in Sambhashana class now, na? Hello, Papya Bhagini, respond कीजिए.
Ask him. Yeah. Sambhashan class. Yeah. Yesterday morning I was there. Today morning I missed it because I didn't know that it is there today. So from next week I think.
No, you join 8:30. You can't
8:30 Thursday,
weekend
Friday.
class. You are not inquiring. You are thinking. That will not work out. See, how can you say I do not know? You ask 10 questions. If not responding, call. You send message to somebody in the group inquiry. You take responsibility to attend the class. No. Weekend class.
No, this was only the first time.
No, it's not first time.
Yeah,
first
weekend
time,
only.
No, Bhagin, no. First time I go by flight, I'll come back to home or not. Don't say first time all these things. See, Saturday weekend means Saturday, Sunday. How many times message put in the group Saturday, Sunday? If not put also, it is understood weekend means Saturday, Sunday. After attending Saturday class, why did you not ask in the class? After that, why you are not asking the group or you are not asking me? How can you miss
No, I put a message to you, sir. I put a message to you. I didn't know who all are there in the group. We have to form that group for the spoken Sanskrit.
You don't go to
class.
other area. You are going some other area now. Sambhashana, we are wasting time. Very simple. You miss the class. Please attend class today 8:30.
Yes,
okay.
Yes.
Please attend the class 8:30. Or whatever small thing, adjust it. Don't bring this problem, that problem. It will not work out. Please.
Today 8:30 or 7:30, sir. Today 7:30.
7:30. 7:30.
Okay. Yeah, sure.
Weekend 7:30. Yeah, like that you should catch it. No, in the flow I'm telling 8:30. Then tomorrow, sir, you tell 8:30. Okay, जी.
No.
Okay.
Yeah, thank you.
So ये हो गया. Anything in K? आपने ग्रुप में डिस्कस नहीं करते हो पपिया भगिनी, आपने ग्रुप हो गया, ग्रुप में डिस्कशन कीजिए, आपको काम हो जाएगा. मैं का महोदय आपका ग्रुप डिस्कशन में थोड़ा स्ट्रांग रहिए, नहीं तो ये डाउट नहीं आएगा. कहो शब्द पुल्लिंग स्त्रीलिंग ऑल डाउट विल नॉट कम. स्मॉल ग्रुप. टेक केयर. एंड और कुछ है? Is there any other doubt?
Yes, sir. Lakshmi, I have a doubt about writing. Like Anuswar ka rule, if it's followed by vowel and followed by consonant end of the word bole the. What about na? Like chinta, kintu, parantu. When can we put a dot and when can we write half na?
You have any difficulties or imagining something like that?
No, it's imagining only.
Don't imagine. You don't imagine. Tell me the practical. There is not such things. There is nothing like that. Totally not there. You tell me now one example.
The example is chinta. Should we write?
आपका problem क्या है? चिंता, no, आपका problem क्या है? What is the exact you are facing problem?
Should I write half na or can I put a dot?
No, why this question comes? This is totally invalid. No. How can you think like this? Chinta is chinta. Then what is the question of half no, small no? This chinta. Chinta writing, you are yuktakshara conjunct writing. There is no relation to making the pada. No. Anuswar is related to writing the pada. When a ramam is there, you write a ramam, or when a ramam comes, you are putting dot or halandma. That is different subject. How it related to Chinta, Lakshmi, Madana? It's not related to at all. All these things.
No, I'm asking. Sometimes I see parantu, chinta, kintu written with a dot. Sometimes I see written with half na. So which is correct?
No, you show me that. Okay, you show me that. I have not come across any such things. What is there your mind? I have not understood. So dot other thing, there is no related to that. Okay. Yes, you bring that particular. If there a book, you take the good photo, or or in listening someplace you refer to that. I'll come back. Yes. Any other people? Any other doubt?
Mahodaya, one doubt. As I asked, balakaha kridanti. Whether balakaha kridanti is correct or balakaha kridante is correct.
Why you are getting this doubt? First of all, you are in first chapter over now. In the first chapter, why you are creating doubt? No, you are putting your leg inside the pond. without knowing, and snake is biting, you're telling snake biting. Don't do that. Okay, you go chapter wise, huh? Go chapter wise, you will get it. Go chapter wise. Okay. Okay. Wait kijiye, chapter wise go, you will get the things. Okay. You are still your question keep in the doubt area. And this doubt will not arise. Why the doubt is comes, I don't know. You are operating somewhere else. This doubt is impossible. The Lakshmi Bhagini and you both doubt, no. It cannot be doubt at all. See, I'm ready to digest all kind of doubt. It is my job to digest and process. That's my job. But this is not doubt at all. In what thinking thought process you are making this doubt? I'm wondering this. How this doubt will come? Impossible. Okay. Any other people? Okay, we'll go to chapter 2. Last में प्रश्न नहीं किया क्या? There's a prashna is there, no? End of the chapter. अध्यायस्य अन्ते एकः प्रश्नः सन्ति.
Yeah.
हाँ जी.
Yes, we did it.
Okay, हो गया?
मैंने I myself.
हाँ,
yeah.
हो गया? कोई दिक्कत नहीं?
नहीं.
It is true. No problem.
It's true.
No problem.
No problem.
Those have done, no problem saying difficult नहीं है भाई. अच्छा, now.
नहीं कोई problem नहीं.
कोई problem नहीं, ठीक है. So we'll come to chapter 2. अच्छा. Chapter 2. Yeah, can you read? I have the, who has the book? You can read quickly. This part, Sukti already there in the audio, need not to discuss now. Go to direct Bhasa Vyasa, please read it. We are entering to we are entering to Madhyama Purusha. Earlier, what you have done last time? First chapter.
Prathama Purusha.
Pratham Purusha.
Ekavachana Bahuvachana.
And
Vartamana Kala. Prathama Purusha Ekavachana and Bahuvachana.
Pratham Purusha Ekavachana Bahuvachana. Okay. And Uttam Purusha nahi tha na. Uttam Purusha is not there. Only Pratham Purusha Ekavachana Bahuvachana. So
yes.
Bhagini or Sita Bhagini, we have so far covered the Pratham Purusha Ekavachana Bahuvachana. Pathati Bahuvachana only Thanti. Only this much you cover. Gachati Gachanti. Only this much you cover last class. This class we are going to Madhyam Purusha. Madhyam Purusha का कर्ता कौन है? Tvam. Tvam, yuvam, iyam. You, you two, and you all. आप दोनों, आप सब लोग. Tvam, yuvam, iyam. These are the three words. Ekavachana, Dvivachana, and Bahuvachana for Yusmat Shabda. Tvam means you, yuvam, you two, and iyam, you all. This is exactly Madhyam Purusha. But in our Sambhashana, we have used Bhavan and Bhavati. Ranjana Bhagini, please mute. We are using Bhavan and Bhavati. But this Bhavan and Bhavati, these two are not exactly Madhyam Purusha. They are definitely Pratham Purusha, but they work as a Madhyam Purusha. Are you getting me? Who is Bhavan? To whom I am addressing directly, he is Bhavan Bhavati, na? So that is definitely Madhyam Purusha, but Bhavan Bhavati Sabda not belongs to Madhyam Purusha. These two Sabda technically belongs to Pratham Purusha, third person, but they work as Madhyam Purusha. Are you getting me? Like yes, Agatavan. Agatavan is not Atita, is not Lakara, not Lang Lakara, but it work like Lang Lakara. Are you getting me? Okay, right. So we are entering to Madhyam Purusha. Start, Papya Bhagini. We are reading.
Yeah. Tvam patasi, tvam namasi, tvam badasi, tvam pashyasi, tvam prichasi, tvam gachasi, tvam dhavasi, tvam tishthatsi, tvam atasi. Sir, one question there. Why that halant with ma and tvam atasi? The rest we used with the aniswara. Then tvam kridasi, tvam khadasi, tvam gayasi.
Please wait. You're asking question, why you are reading? This question related to that Lakshmi Bhagini has spoken something. So that time you are not listening to her. And the same answer has given earlier. Lakshmi Bhagini, can you repeat? JK Lakshmi Bhagini. Answer to Bhagini.
Tvam atasi.
अरे क्या कर रहे हैं आप? Please wait, Bhagini. Papya Bhagini, please wait. Am I audible to you?
Okay, okay, sir.
Am I audible to you?
Yes, sir.
Please.
Yes,
Puja
sir.
Panda Bhagini, can you mute?
Yes, sir.
Mute करके रखना ना. Please take care of that. Other people, Lakshmi Bhagini, please reply to Papya Bhagini. She's asking question.
Yeah, please ask. Please ask the question again. It is from Atasi. You said just now.
No, let her ask the question.
Yeah, why we have used? Yeah, why we have asked? We have written ma and that halant instead of putting an anuswar on top here. That tvam is different here.
Yeah.
And tvam tishtasi is different and tvam atasi is different. That ma and with the halant. Why?
Yeah.
That is the question.
Because after the half ma is when it's followed by a vowel, it should be put as ma with halant. When it's followed by a consonant, it should be it can be put as a dot, anuswar.
Are you getting?
Okay.
Papya Bhagini, this has a very clearly bold
Yes.
way, loud, bold, and clear. I have told this last class. And also sha and ra related. Why how na is coming in Sabdarupa Vibhakti Chinha, Vibhakti symbol na, Puspe na, Madhu na, all kind of things. Also Puspanam, Phalanam, Puspanam. That also I told last time. Please listen. I told you write down also. So last class you are not noting down, you are not listening also. What I'll do in that case? Other people, do you have similar doubt? Anybody having similar doubt?
No, sir.
Attentive नहीं रहेंगे, बात में पूछेंगे कैसे चलेगा? Be attentive. I have boldly have told. Any other people? Then what about Ramena and Balakena? Is it clear to you? Ramena, Balakena.
We have not done this.
Tritiya Vibhakti.
No, how Tritiya Vibhakti come to picture?
Tritiya Vibhakti.
Vibhakti is not related to this, sir. I'm telling Puspena, Ramena, Phalena, Pustakena. So why there is a different? Why discrimination happening? हमारे सनातन धर्म में कुछ डिस्क्रिमिनेशन नहीं होता ना, फिर ये संस्कृत में कैसे हो सकता है? हाँ जी.
So I have one doubt related to that. Suppose you are saying Krishnena, will it end in na?
That also I told last class, and I told exactly Krishna शब्द लेके बताया आप. Why you are not catching? Why you are not noting down when telling the class? I'll tell you later. Let first finish this Phala and Puspa. No, you see Lakshmi Bhagini, you missed one point, but people are missing all points. Nobody has written. Itna casual, no, it's not good. Such a lovely point I told last time.
आपने बताया ना कि अगर
रू
श और रू ध्वनि है तो रामेण.
Correct.
इसके अतिरिक्त वो देवेन.
Okay.
But वो कृष्णेन में.
अरे wait करो भाई, Bhagini, please wait. Don't be impatient. We are at your job only. Please. क्या हो गया आपका? Mayank Bhagini, Mayank Mahodaya, you are telling something?
Yes, it's like Dev Devena.
Okay, and
then the same thing, sir. Pushpani means Ra, Sa, and Ru. You have to do na. Yeah.
If Ra or Ru or Sha, that middle Sa, if that is present in the word, then in the Vibhakti symbol, when converting to different Vibhakti, na के जगह में ना आएगा. बड़ा ना आएगा. ना, that will come. Now clear na? Clear or not?
Clear.
All other people need to please respond. Yaar, क्या problem? Touch the things and tell. Okay, now coming to Lakshmi Bhagini. Lakshmi Bhagini, आपका question, can you put it loudly?
Yeah. So जब ra, sha, and ru are there, it should be followed by na, not by na. So Ramena. But in the case of Krishna, there is sha and ra also, but वो कृष्ण का ही न है और उसके बाद जो आता है that is is that no? So that's my confusion.
Okay. No, don't use confusion about it. You tell me your doubt. Don't tell your confusion. What is your doubt? Why
Yeah,
you
my
go to
doubt is,
confusion?
my
See,
doubt
I'll
is
tell you.
Krishna.
Life, when you bring your doubt or you convert into real question mark, no, you'll come out from confusion zone. Confusion zone is not a good zone. I don't know, or this is my doubt. That will have more clarity than confusion. So your question is, it will be Krishna or Krishnena.
Yes.
That is only your doubt, is not it? Yes.
Yes.
So in Krishna, the last na is there. No, in Krishna, that mula sabda, last is na is there. So any sabda na or na already there in the last, no. So that will follow the normal track because already one na or na is there in the end, not starting point, end. Nandana, nandanena, nandanena nahi hoga. Are you getting me?
Yes.
Or Narendra to last letter, not whenever last letter in Krishna, ka, sha, na, no, ka, ra, sha, na. 4 letters are there, no?
Yeah.
Vyanjana Varna. In Krishna, Sabda, Vyanjana Varna 4 are there. Ka, sha, and ka, ra, sha, na. So last letter is na. So in last letter na, so when you are changing to Vibhakti, adding the Vibhakti, it will not be your Ana will not come there, only normal track it will follow.
Okay, thank you.
Yes, like that, different situation will get different rule. When you face the particular problem, bring it, we'll provide the solution. Everybody understood or not? Okay, dhanyawad.
Yes, sir.
Yes, Bhagini. Continue.
Okay, sir. Tvam kridasi, tvam khadasi, tvam gayasi.
Okay. Continue. Continue.
So the next page has to come, otherwise I have to open the book. The screen shows the first page.
No, you don't depend upon a screen. You go to book.
Okay.
Yeah. I told whoever a book only they can read, not based on the screen. I already told that. You are not listening, Bhagini. Many things you are not listening.
Okay, sir. Tvam gayasi, then tvam likhasi, tvam nayasi, tvam pathasi.
Okay. Is there anything here, any difficulties? All are known verbs. We have been using our Sambhashana. This is very common verbs. You are aware of this. Okay. Second, Bahuvachana Madhyam Purusha. Second person, plural.
Okay.
Madhyam Purusha, Bahuvachana. Another person, can you read?
Puja.
Puja Bhagini.
यूयम खादथ यूयम हसथ यूयम गायथ यूयम लिखथ यूयम वहथ यूयम पिबथ यूयम पतथ यूयम यच्छथ यूयम निंदथ यूयम नयथ.
Continue.
Sir, I have only this much because Hindi medium book I have.
अच्छा, ठीक है. उसके आगे युवम नमथ, युवम वदथ, युवम पश्यथ, युवम पृच्छथ. Okay, here also namatha, namati, namatha, and baki other gayati, gayatha, other is same. Okay. Next, Uttam Purusha Ekavachana, somebody.
Aham ichchami, aham ruttami, aham smarami, aham jigrami, aham vasami, aham vadami, aham pruchhami, aham gacchami, aham davami, aham pashyami, aham pibami, aham kadami, aham tishtami, aham gayami, aham likhami.
Other people, can you, everybody please mute? Don't do this. Everybody, can you mute your audio, please? Amrita Bhagin, carry on.
Sir, finish ho gaya.
Finish ho gaya. Achha, okay. Yes. So anything you want to talk, anything? Nothing there. We should not spend any time on this. Same verb, no problem. Another person, please carry on.
Yeah, Vayam Kridamaha, Vayam Likhamaha, Vayam Pibamaha, Vayam Yachamaha, Vayam Tishtamaha, वयं नमामः, वयं वहामः, वयं नयामः, वयं धावामः, वयं स्मरामः, वयं नृत्यामः, वयं हसामः, वयं गायामः, वयं आतामः, वयं इच्छामः। हो गया।
अच्छा, see here, aham bahuvachana vayam, aham gacchami, vayam gacchamaha. You all are master in this. Bhavati gacchati or bhavati pathati, bhavatyaha pathanti. Balakaha hasati, balakaha hasanti. Aham likhami, vayam likhamaha. That you are very much sure, you have seen. Apart from this, here Madhyam Purusha has introduced, which was not there in your Samacha. Madhyam Purusha means you. That is Tvam. Exactly Madhyam Purusha Tvam. Tvam and Dvivachana will be Avam, Bahuvachana will be Vayam. Yuyam. So Tvam, Bahuvachana, Yuyam. These two has been given here. You and you all. Tvam Gachasi. Tvam Hasasi. Tvam Khadasi. You eat, you go, you jump. Tvam Utpattasi. You are running. Tvam Dhavasi. And Bahuvachana, Yuvam Dhavatha. Yuvam Dhavatha. नहीं, युवम गच्छाथा, युवम लिखाथा. नो विसर्ग. ये है. ठीक है, और कुछ नहीं. Okay. Now coming to the table, go to next page, 28 page. We skip that page. That is your answer. Aham kim karomi, tvam kim karosi, pathasi. Okay, tvam pathasi, yuvam pathatha. That already have done this. So go to next. 28 page mein the table is there. Pathati, pathatha, pathanti. Can you see that?
Yes, sir. Sir.
Okay. See, earlier table, earlier page, table last time में बोला था क्या क्या टेबल था, उसमें टेबल नहीं दिया. टेबल दिया गया. टेबल दिया गया. क्या दिया? सहतौते, सहाते, ताह, तत्ते, तानि. नहीं. Then ayam, imo, ime, yam, ime, imaha. Then idam, ime, imani. Then followed by esaha, etu, etaha. Like that, sahataute, like that. Esha, ete, etaha. Then etat, te, tani. Then your prashnavachaka. Kaha, kau, ke. Nahin. Ka, kau, kaha. Then your kim, ke, kani. This much. So 3 plus 3 plus 3. In 9 in normal sarvanam ke liye. 9 plus ayam, yam, idam. Another 3 added. Earlier 9 plus 3, 12. So sarvanam was 12. And mula sabda, how many mula reference sabda we are using in this class? So far, we will go many more, but at this moment, what are the mula sabda reference what you are using? Every class in Sammasana I'm asking, here I was asking, every time nobody answers.
Lata, Nadi, Balaka.
Phalam. Follow the sequence, will not miss out. Balaka Pulinga, then Strilinga Lata Nadi, then Apusalinga Phalam. Okay, come up. So that 4 are using. Many more will be added. You don't worry now. So that is Balakaha, Balako, Balakaha. Sahataute same. Na? Sahataute se thoda sa farak. Balakaha, Balako, Balakaha. Then Phalam, Phale, Phalani. Phalam, Phale, Phalani. Lata and Nadi will see after some time. Don't worry. Okay. So that 4 and here it is 12. 12 plus 4, 16. I explained last time. It was 31 or 21 something was there, but actually practically only 3. Right? Now we are coming to Asmadi Isma Sabda. Aham, Avam, Vayam. Tuam, Ivam, Uyam. These 2 added more. 2 added more. Okay. 2 added more. Are you getting me? So kitna aap calculation karke dekhiye, all sabda you need to know this. And only first line I am telling. Tuam, Ivam, Uyam. Aham, Avam, Vayam. Sahatau, te. Esa, eto, ete. Kaha, kau, ke. का के काः, किम के कानि ना, बालकः बालको बालकाः, देन फलम फले फलानि, और क्या, एषः एतौ एते, देन एषा एते एताः, एतत् एते एतानि, सिमिलरली तत् ते तानि, नहीं, सा ते ताः, नहीं, और एषा एते एताः, ये सब मिल गया। उसके बाद द थ्री न्यू, अयम अयम यम इदम, सो अयम में क्या, अयम इमौ इमे, सेम जैसा आपका जो सहतौते, सेम फॉर्मेट, एंड इयम इमे इमाः, सेम, एषा एते एताः, सेम फॉर्मेट, एंड इदम इमे इमानि, फलम फले फलानि, सेम, किम, जो किम के कानि, सेम फॉर्मेट, एतत् एते एतानि, सेम फॉर्मेट. This much words, you are aware of this, you must get it. And all are only three types, pullinga strillinga namsa, nothing is there, minor difference. One सहतौते, ये in one category, ये जो category है आपका दूर में तीन, पास में तीन जो item, this is only little difference is there from balaka शब्द, otherwise they are same. Yam idam also slightly different, so practically three शब्द only, पुल्लिंग स्त्रीलिंग नपुंसकलिंग, नथिंग एल्स. क्लियर? कोई डिफिकल्ट है उसमें? नाउ कमिंग टू द पठ धातु, वर्तमान काल, पठति पठतः पठन्ति पठसि पठतः पठतः पठामि पठावः पठाव, ठीक है जी? अच्छा, हु नोज दिस? कैन समबडी डू दैट? आई जस्ट, हु नोज दिस? पठति पठतः पठन्ति, हु नोज दिस ऑलरेडी?
Yeah, I already know it.
Huh?
I know
Sir,
it.
I know it.
Okay,
know
can you tell me, Pooja Pandey Bhagini?
Yes, sir. पठति पठतः पठन्ति पठसि पठतः पठत पठामि पठावः पठामः.
In the Madhyam Purusha Bahuvachana, what did you say?
मध्यम पुरुष बहुवचन, पठसि पठतः पठत पठतः.
But you are telling something else. Please drop that style. Are you getting me what I'm saying?
Yes, sir.
Please don't do that. After Sambhashana, I'm so much angry for that. I never get angry. Only one thing deliberately people are doing here. It is very bad, no? पठथा लिखा, हलंत नहीं है, अभी हलंत मार्केट चल रहा है, ऊपर में डॉट डालो, हलंत म के नीचे हलंत डालो, मार्केट तो वही चल रहा है.
I'll pay attention, sir.
ठीक है? Completely you have to keep, that is a primary, only one correction pa, only one correction. क्या प्रॉब्लम है? पठथा, ठीक है? Yes. Who do not know this? अरे यार ताजुब की बात, सबको पता है क्या? Who do not know? लीला भगिनी आ गया, दर्शन नहीं मिला. हाँ हाँ जी यार, किसको मालूम नहीं बताओ यार.
सर मैंने अटेंड नहीं किया है. दीपा बोल रही है.
मैं आपको पूछ रहा हूँ, who do not know this? पठति पठता, this 9 शब्द do you know, get by heart? It is there in your top of your lips. It is there?
Yes. No sir.
And that's all you say. I don't know. Raise your hand powerfully. I don't know. Please. I don't know. I don't know is a very powerful tool. Many people do not know. I don't know is the way forward. The moments I don't know, way will open up for you. उसको हाइडिंग करके रहेगा तो अंदर में कैंसर बढ़ेगा और कुछ नहीं होगा. I don't know से बढ़िया मेडिसिन दुनिया में कुछ नहीं भैया. बहुत मेहनत करके मैं सिखाऊं. ओके, सो दीपा होगी नहीं. अच्छा, हु अदर पीपल डू नॉट नो? गंगाधर, मतलब नाम बताओ यार, नाम बदनाम नहीं होता है. आप स्वयं गंगाधर है, आपका नाम बदनाम क्यों होता है? ओके, ठीक है. ऑन एनी अदर पर्सन?
Me also, I know it, but we have not used it, sir, more. So
don't bring all kind of logic. Is so much confusion. Itna hiding, seeking, ego, this, that, separation. You please drop it. I know or I don't know. Matter ends there. ये क्या इतना good, all kind of things. Leave it. I know or I don't know. That's all. Yes, Gangadhar Mahodaya and Deepa Bhagini do not know. Any other people do not know? मैं महोदय, मैं सोच के बता रहे हैं. दीपा भगिनी आधा बता रहे हैं, मैं भगिनी सोच के बता रहे हैं क्या चल रहा है. ओके, ठीक है. I'll take Gangadhar Mahodaya sample. I'll work with him. After that exercise over, nobody can claim that I don't know. Papya Bhagini, be ready. Okay. Deepa Bhagini, be ready.
Okay, sir.
And other people, those are Supta Kalagara, please get ready. Okay, close the book. Look at me, Gangadhar Mahodaya. Okay. Pathati. You say, I'm telling you, please repeat. Pathati.
Patati.
Pathataha.
Patataha.
Pathanti.
Patanti.
Pathati. Pathataha. Pathanti.
Patati. Patataha. Patanti.
Can you repeat?
Patati. Patataha. Patanti.
Okay. Pathasi.
Patasi.
Pathataha.
Patataha.
Pathatha.
Patataha.
I'll repeat again. Kya problem? Any technical issue? I'll read again. Pathasi.
Patasi.
Pathatha.
Patata.
Pathatha. Pathatha. Pathatha.
Patatha.
Second one with Visarga. 1 minute. I'll bring the screen again. I'll show you then. 58 page number. Have a look to this. Can you read yourself one time?
Patati. Patataha. Patanti. Patasi. Patataha. Patatha. Patami. Patavaha. Patamaha.
Okay. Patha. Tha. Not a ta. Tha. Patha. Huh? Okay. Okay. So I'm just dropping out now. Now look at. So pathati, pathataha, pathanti is clear to you? Can you tell one time?
Patati, patataha, patati, patanta, patataha, patami, patanti.
Other people, why all people has to unmute your audio, no? Everybody. Rachit Bhagini, who is there? Rachit Mahodaya, you please your video or talk, otherwise you leave the class. Choice is yours. You cannot hold like a spy role here, please. Anji, Gangadhar Mahodaya. So that is Pathanti. You know that Bahuvachan, no? Balakaha kridanti, balakaha kridanti, puspani vikasanti. अपनी किया ना exercise? नहीं, ठीक है? महिलाः धावन्ति, शिशवः रोदिन्ति. Like that you have already done the exercise. Same thing. Reelayanani or yanani bahanani chalanti. Same thing. So pathati, pathataha, pathanti. Can you repeat again?
Patati, patataha, patanti.
Okay. Now we'll go into second, Madhyam Purusha wala, second line. Pathasi,
Patasi,
pathathaha,
patataha,
pathatha,
patatha.
Pathasi, pathathaha, patatha.
Patasi, patataha, patatha.
No, I'm saying tha. See, you have to pronounce the second letter. Mahaprana is not coming out directly. You are telling ta. I'm telling tha. You are telling ta. You have to change it. By practice, it will come. Again, I'm repeating. Pathasi, patathaha, patatha.
Patasi, patataha, patatha.
Okay. Next, pathami.
Patami.
Pathavaha.
Patavaha.
Pathamaha.
Patamaha.
Pathami. Pathavaha. Pathamaha.
Patami. Patamaha.
Pathami. Pathavaha. Pathamaha.
Patami. Patavaha. Patamaha.
Okay. So मैं रिपीट करता हूँ, आप इसमें काइंडली फॉलो अनुवादित. So पठति, पठतः, पठन्ति.
Patati, patataha, patanti.
पठसि, पठतः, पठथ.
Patasi, patataha, patanta.
पठामि, पठावः, पठामः.
थोड़ा रिपीट कीजिए.
पठामि, पठावः, पठामः.
पठामी, पठामी.
Is there any technical issue? Is an internet related dropping, voice crack, anything happening?
Cut हो रहा है.
Okay. Patami. अच्छा, I'll make it slow. Patami, patavah, patamah.
Patami, patavah, patamah.
Okay. तो डोंट रुकावट बीच में मत कीजिए. ये बार-बार जो क्वेश्चन पूछेगा रिपीट करेंगे ना, उसमें जो क्रिएशन हो रहा है वो डैमेज हो जाएगा. सो प्लीज टेक केयर दैट. राइट.
जी. धन्यवाद.
ना धन्यवाद क्या है जी, क्या धन्यवाद, कहाँ किधर जा रहे? डोंट डू योर ओन डिसीजन प्लीज. यू आर इन एक्सरसाइज पा. कहाँ है? भाग के चल जाता है. हाँ. पठति, पठतः, पठन्ति, पठसि, पठतः, पठतः, पठामि, पठावः, पठामः. लिसन अगेन. पठति, पठतः, पठन्ति, पठसि, पठतः, पठथ, पठामि, पठावः, पठामः. क्या इतना ऑपरेट कर रहे हैं यार? वन स्विच इज देयर. नो, you are in discussion. Why you are unmuting, muting? Not required. Continue to be unmuted. Deepa Bhagini, please close it. Please close it. गंगाधर महोदय आप क्या कर रहे हैं? हाँ, स्टेज को डार्क कर देते हैं, बीच में ड्रामा चल रहा है. हाँ, रिपीट अगेन. इट गॉन. व्हाट क्रिएट गॉन. वंस लिसन. पठति, पठतः, पठन्ति, पठसि, पठतः, पठथ, पठामि, पठावः, पठामः.
कंफ्यूज हो जाता सर.
अरे यार तुम कंफ्यूजन क्यों? Why you love confusion? You listen and talk. That's all. कंफ्यूजन होने दो. कंफ्यूजन will go to confusion. बात उसमें मेरे क्या जाता है? पठति, पठतः, पठन्ति.
पठति, पठतः, पठन्ति.
पठसि, पठथः, पठथ.
पठसि, पठतः, पठन्त.
You are not participating. I cannot help you. I am saying पठसि, पठतः, पठथ.
पठसि, पठतः, पठन्त.
देखो अपना मर्जी में चेंज कर रहे हैं, कैसे चलेगा? अरे यार 3 शब्द सुनने से क्या? राम हरि गोपाल बोलो.
राम हरि गोपाल.
ओके. लीना भगिनी, मिस्ट्री भगिनी और विकास महोदय. क्या सोच रहे हैं आप? अरे बोला ना यार. रंजना भगिनी, गिरिधर महोदय, लक्ष्मी भगिनी. कैन यू रिपीट? गंगाधर महोदय क्या कर रहे हैं आप? Any technical issue? I think some maybe problem, something is going on. You are not ready or some problem is there?
No, I am ready.
Huh?
I am ready, Guruji.
Ready, but you are not responding. No. You repeat it. Pooja Bhagini, Mayank Mahodaya, Deepa Bhagini. Repeat.
पठसि.
नहीं Mayank Mahodaya, please mute please. गंगाधर महोदय आप क्या कर रहे हैं? Okay, take a rest. I think you are not participating. Something wrong. I do not know what is wrong. How much time? 10 minutes gone. You are not participating. Okay, Deepa Bhagini, are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Okay. I have done the exercise for everybody. Okay. Deepa Bhagini, you listen to me. Your listening is different. So please bring down your listening to the ground level. Huh? Please have completely Santa hai aap. Pura Santa hai. Sure. Right. Okay. पठति, पठतः, पठन्ति.
पठति, पठतः, पठन्ति.
पठसि, पठथः, पठथ. They can see. I told you are अशांत है ना. आपने फट करके अपना मर्जी में कर रहे हो. Don't do that, please. ऐसा मत करो. इसलिए बोल रहा हूँ. Don't go here and there. Be with me. Are you with me?
Yes, sir.
Something going on in your mind? Are you free?
No, no, sir.
Fully connected?
Yes, sir.
So please don't.
Yes, sir.
Okay, right. पठति, पठतः, पठन्ति.
पठति, पठतः, पठन्ति.
पठसि, पठथः, पठथ.
पठसि, पठतः, पठतः.
Last visarg is not there. पठसि, पठथः, पठथ.
पठसि, पठतः, पठत.
I'm not listening. Again you listen. पठसि, पठथः, पठथ.
पठसि, पठतः, पठत.
Or nahi tha.
Tha.
I have already shown you. Know that time you are not seen. In between I brought the that PPT or the paper. Page number. Seen then how I'm talking same thing last so many minutes. How come he missed out? Same thing I have done Gangadhar Mahodaya. No, I'm not doing with him. It is done for everybody. Please cooperate. ऐसा नहीं चलेगा. That like that it will take 1 hour for a small. It requires 2 minutes actually. This exercise I have reserved only 2 minutes, not 20 minutes. So you are not cooperating. The earlier person not cooperating. ऐसा नहीं चलता है. Have open mind, freeness, love. Okay, enjoy the class. And 2 minutes you will not finish. You tell me anybody. Your old person can do, and children child can do also. Please be okay. Pathasi, pathatha, pathatha.
Pathasi.
Can you close the book? Then you are doing another. Then he started him herself some other.
Pathasi, pathata, pathata.
Pathatha, pathatha.
Pathatha, pathatha.
Again you repeat. Pathasi, pathatha, pathatha.
Pathasi, pathatha, pathatha.
Let's go on changing. What I'll do, sir? 2 people are there. Sample, both are playing. They're not playing the game. They're playing with me. Pathatha, no, I'm telling. Tell me loudly. Loud.
Pathatha.
You loud talk. My computer should break.
Pathatha.
Please stop. Pathasi, pathatha, pathatha.
Pathasi, pathatha, pathatha.
Tha nahi, last is tha also.
Pathatha, pathatha.
That is not coming out now. It is coming. You go on playing. Don't play, please. Please take care of everybody's time. You can take my time. I can give, but I'm feeling afraid, spending this much time for others. Pathasi, pathatha, pathatha.
Pathasi, pathatha, pathatha. Pathatha.
Okay, I'll drop it. I cannot bear this. You are doing too much. I'm recording. You know that this class is recorded. You know what is happening. This is the way you are participating.
Yes. Sir, I'm doing 100%.
You are not doing 100%. You are not there. You are just trickling. Your mind is trickling here and there. You are not there. 3 words. Rama, Hari, Krishna बोलने के लिए आपको problem है. Pathasi, pathatha. One time tha, one time tha, one time visarga, one time not visarga. You are just playing. What is necessity? You just repeat. When I'm asking the 9 sabda, that time you may have problem. We'll see that. That's my job to care. But 3 sabda repeating, is it a problem for anybody in the world? Anybody is there any other person who do not know want to work? Already gone half an hour. Anybody want to work? Anybody is there who do not know? Okay, Lina Bhagini, can you tell me? Please unmute.
Sir.
Talk fast.
Padati, padatha, padatha.
How we are connecting? I'm asking you don't know, you are not in that list. You know you are not the list. I asked the question, you are telling something.
Padasi, padatha, padatha.
Yes, so she is saying that I know, but she do not know. Okay, like that I'll go on checking individually. How much time will go? Mahindra Mahodaya. Mahindra Mahodaya. Are you talking, not talking? I do not know. आपका म्यूट है क्या? अनम्यूट है ना? Please talk. Your voice is not coming. Maybe you have to go and again come back. You can log out and log in. Okay. Yes, who is there? Mr. Sri Bhagini?
हाँ सर. पठति, पठतः, पठन्ति, पठसि, पठथः, पठथ, पठामि, पठावः, पठामः.
उत्तमम. Lakshmi Bhagini, JK, Lakshmi Bhagini.
Pathatah, pathanti, patasi, patathah, patatha.
You are talking or you are reading or talking?
No, I'm talking.
Look at me.
Okay, I'm looking at you. Pathami, pathavah, pathamah.
Uttamam. Okay. Dilna Bhagini, you please know that you are not aware of this. Please take care of that. Okay. Rachit Mahodaya or Bhagini, so can you leave the class, please? Okay. Right. Then who will tell? Yes, Mahindra Mahodaya. अब आगे दोबारा. Now are you audible now?
Yes.
हाँ बोलिए.
पठति पठत पठन्ति पठसि पठथ पठथ पठामि पठावा पठामा.
आपका एक थोड़ा सा एरर जो बार बार होता है, मैं बहुत बार आगे भी पहले भी बोल चुका हूँ. अब विसर्ग प्रोनाउंस करने के लिए आप राजी नहीं है. पठावह, पठामह, पठतः, पठतः, पठथ, विदाउट विसर्ग संस्कृत कैसे बोलेंगे हम? तो जहां पर विसर्ग है उसको प्रोनाउंस कीजिए. ठीक है. ओके, ठीक है. यस, हु इज द पर्सन लेफ्ट आउट? गंगाधर महोदय, आर गेटिंग नाउ? अपने कंफ्यूज. हाँ बोलिए, बोलिए.
मैं देख के बोलता हूँ.
हाँ देखिए एक बार बोलिए.
पठति पठतः पठन्ति पठसि पठतः पठथ पठामि पठावः पठामः.
बंद करके बोलिए.
बंद करके नेक्स्ट टाइम बोलता हूँ.
सी देखो, अभी नेक्स्ट टाइम बोलने से मुझे दिक्कत नहीं. आपने यू आर ऑपरेटिंग. माय प्रॉब्लम इज नॉट संस्कृत. माय प्रॉब्लम यू आर द ग्रेट पर्सन फॉर मी. एंड आपका अंदर में कुछ अगर मैं टच कर सकता हूं तो मेरा जीवन सार्थक हो जाएगा. आप जो साइकिल लेके जा रहे हो, यू आर क्रिएटिंग ऑब्स्टैकल. आपका प्रमोशन अटक जाता है, इसलिए इसको खत्म कीजिए. पठती, अब यू विल गेट प्रमोशन दिस ईयर. You are operating a restricted way. Don't restrict unnecessary. ये कहाँ किधर है फियर? ये थोड़ी बाघा आपका सामने है क्या? Unnecessary. Don't create confusion and fear. Face the people, face the situation. आपको सिचुएशन से और कोई आदमी, कोई सिचुएशन, वहां से कोई टारगेट से आप थोड़ा साइड में रहना चाहते हो. नो, फेस इट ना. ये सब कष्टवाद नहीं, ये सब मामूली चीज है. दिस इज नॉट वेरी स्पेसिफिक टैलेंट. Nobody saying to go all the 5 lakar you tell one time. Nobody saying. This is only 9 sabda na. अपने don't take that way. Come out just like that quickly. ठीक है? अच्छा. So I take granted. Actually, this is 2 minutes to creation. Confirmation 2-3 minutes. 5-7 minutes I should be over it. I think it is gone maybe 25 minutes. Very long time. You should take care of the time part. Right. So I am considering that you know this. I have no other choice at this moment. Okay. Then Sabda area. Today we have done for Pathati. All this we have spent more time. Now next class we are going to make this kind of Sabda. Tvam, Yuvam, Iyam, Aham, Avam, Vayam. Anybody knows whatever extent you know, please do it. Everybody, whatever extent you remember, Mr. Sri Bhagini, whatever extent, Gangadhar Mahodaya remember, Deepa Bhagini, Mayaka Mahodaya, whoever remember up to what extent, please express that. To what extent you have remember, please express.
Remember what? Pathati, pathatah, pathanti?
Anything. That one plus Namapada. All this Tvam, Yubam, Ayam, Saha, Esa, Valakaha, Lata, Nadi, anything you remember, quickly tell. Without seeing the book. Never refer any book, Google, nothing else. Straight away look at me and talk. Whatever you remember.
Saha, tau, te, sa, tau, te, sa, te, taha, tat, te, tani. कह के का कह कौ के का के काह किम किम के कानी.
और हाँ जी.
पठति पठतः पठन्ति पठसि पठतः पठत पठत पठामि पठावः पठामः.
और क्या? अहम, त्वम.
हाँ, त्वम, युवाम, युवम, अहम, आवाम, वयम।
और क्या बाकी रह गया? बालक, लता, नदी, जो भी याद है।
बालकः, बालकौ, बालके, त्वं,
बालकाः,
बालकाः, बालकाः, त्वं, युवाम, इयम, अहम, आवाम, वयम।
और क्या बाकी रह गया? कुछ शब्द ही लेफ्ट आउट।
त्वम कीड़ति, वो जो पढ़ रहे थे उसमें से त्वम कीड़ति, त्वम पश्यति।
भगिनी प्लीज 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 जस्ट वेट फ्यू मिनट्स।
सह, तौ, ते।
एषः, एतौ, एते, एषा, एते, एताः।
That also completed. Okay. Then,
एतत्, एते, एतानि।
okay. और तत्?
हाँ, तत्, ते, तानि।
Okay.
ताः, ते, ता, ते, ताः।
Both they are. All that I already you told. Already you have told. Then you are already all are covered. I think this is ayam, yam, idam. Attempt that. Don't worry. Don't afraid of. Century मानना तो century में 99 में क्या out होना? No, sorry.
I am
9 wicket gone is 0. You alone will make century. No problem.
I am imau, ime, iyam, ime, imah,
idam,
idam, ime, imani.
Perfect. Same formula na. Why you want to fear? Okay, 100%. 100%. Perfect. Talia. And to practice this, remember this, you know how much time required? You don't require more than 50 minutes. If you feel I'm Gadha number 1, you take 10 minutes. You feel very smart, you'll take maybe 15 minutes. That's all. मैं गारंटी के साथ बोलता हूँ. शब्द 3 है भाई. शब्द 3. बालक का शब्द सीखो. उसमें स्लाइटली जो के बोलता है ना, कह को के, वो जो सर्वनाम एरिया का बहुवचन में थोड़ा चेंज होता है मार्केट. बालकः, बालको, बालकाः. Instead of बालकाः, it will be के, ते, एते. That will come. You need to mark. That's all. स्त्रीलिंग शब्द all are same. का, के, काः, लता, लते, लताः, all same. Then similarly your yam. See, ayam, yam, idam. That first line only halantma is coming. Rest following your normal. You just compare this. There is no difference. It's 3 shabda only. Are you understanding me? Puja Pandey Bhagini, agree with me? 3 shabda. A little change is there for sarvanama and main shabda. Little change is there for pullinga. And strilinga and ampusanga, the ditto same. 3 shabda bhai. Consider 4, no problem. Balaka shabda separate and kaha or saha shabda is separate. No problem. Chalo. Saha. Nahi. Wait 1 minute. 4 ho gaya na? The practicality is 4 shabda only, nothing else. 3 actually, make it 4. I agree. 4 shabda सीखने के लिए कितना time? That is not a full shabda I'm telling, sir. 1 line. 15 minutes what I'm talking, the entire shabda. 1 line you don't record more than 2 minutes. 1 line, no. That prathama vibhakti. 1 line. First line. Balakaha, balako, balakaha. Itna hi. Nobody asking second, third, fourth vibhakti. I'm not asking that. Only first line. 2-3 minutes. All of you can do wonder. There's nobody who can miss it. Gangadhar Mahadev will do wonder next class. You just watch and see. Okay. Unnecessary is creating some doubt. Where he is getting, I don't know. ठीक है जी? Okay. Right. हो गया शब्द रूप धातु रूप पाठ started. Then detailing संयुक्त अक्षर. Conjunct has given little more. Earlier I added more. And what I have given to you, much more has given to you. You just enlarge that one in the computer screen. You see thoroughly. Otherwise, whatever given book also, you will get the views on this. When adding na, ma, ra, fala, na, ra, la, these matras are used very. It is like a matra, like sa, ka. We are adding ska. You are telling, no, that is not a matra, not understood matra. But na, ma, ra, la, wa, ya. Ra, la, wa, ya, char plus no, ma, 2. This 6 understood like a kara, e kara, no, like that, like mo kara, no kara, like that is matra kind of things. So that is 4 plus 2, 6 matra. So here ra is then given. Next is no is given. Okay. So ma, padma, something you would need to know. Okay. When you are adding ra, la, wa, ya plus ma and no, you go to the chart. Same chart I've shown you, no? Same chart is there, no? In the chart, ka, kha, ga is there, no? You go, no line, you go mon line, you go ra, la, wa, ya. This 4 line, which is frequently used. You can see that. Quickly you can get it. All things are there. How to write. All right. Splitting letter, you have problem. Vyanjana varna, you have to separate by adding ka, adding a. So Vyanjana varna means which you cannot pronounce. With help of Swara varna only can able to pronounce. So which Swara varna added? Ga, I'll separate a. The gu, I'll separate u. That's it. And Vyanjana varna, see, ya. So ga, ya. So suppose ta. So akta. What I'm pronouncing first, ka, I write ka. Halant. Then pronouncing ta, then I write ta. Akta. Then after that, a is coming. So ka plus ta plus a. And ka is not ka. It is only ka. Ta, like that. So quick means you have to put a halant. That is the way you can expand letter and you connect the letter. You do the exercise, you will get it. Please discuss in a small group also. Okay. We are about 6 o'clock. We have finished only abhyasa. कैसे गाड़ी चल रहा है? व्यवहारिक शब्दः वृत्तिकारः, professionals, बहुवचन. वृत्तिकारः, who is holding vritti. Vritti means profession. Who is holding vritti is called वृत्तिकार. वृत्तिकार बहुवचन, वृत्तिकारः. वृत्तिकारः बहुवचन, वृत्तिकाराः. ठीक है जी? Okay. It has made 3 categories. 1 to 10 one category, second 1 to 13 another one category, and another 1 to 1 given. You see this next page also 3 category it has given. Why it is given 3 category? According this type of category, the respective feminine will be created. Etasya sabdasya strilinga tadeva eva bhavati. How you will remember the strilinga sabda of that one? If you follow this one, this pattern, you will know this pattern. Example: Chitrakaraha, Chitrakari, Bharavaha, Bharavahi, Karmakari,
Charmakari, Nartaki, Sainiki.
Padhiye, do that.
Sainiki, Karmakari, Lipikari, Nati, Dhivari, Suvarnakari.
Wait. नॉर्मली हम क्या करते हैं? मेरा मदर टंग में सुवर्णकारिणी होता है, जितना मुझे याद है, सुवर्णकारिणी ऐसा करके हर मदर टंग में टेढ़ा करते. संस्कृत को थोड़ा डैमेज करके अपने को छोटा बनाना, दैट्स व्हाई रीजनल लैंग्वेज हैज क्रिएटेड, नो? सो हर लैंग्वेज में ऐसा ही प्रॉब्लम थोड़ा होता है. सो व्हेन यू आर गोइंग मदर टंग, बी केयरफुल. मे बी 70% 80% केसेस मदर टंग टेक्स केयर संस्कृतम. बाकी 10 20 30% मदर टंग क्रिएट सम खिचड़ी व्हिच विल कंफ्यूज यू. सो यू शुड बी केयरफुल ऑन दैट. ठीक है? सुवर्णकारी, सुवर्णकारी, धीवरी, कुछ और लगता है. नटी आपको पता, नटा नटी आपको पता है, एक्टर एक्ट्रेस. नर्तकी आपको पता है. बट कर्मकारी, कर्मकारी, कर्मकारिणी, कर्मकारी की क्या होगा? सम डाउट मे हैव देयर. बट यू रीड दिस 2-3 times, you will get a rhythm out of this. चित्रकारी, भारवाही, कर्मकारी, चर्मकारी.
चित्रकारी, चित्रकारी वृत्ति,
कर्मकारी
वृत्ति है, और साथ में जो चित्रकार ने बनाया उसे भी चित्रकारी ही कहते हैं.
हाँ, 1 second सर.
उससे चित्रकला कहेंगे.
चित्रकला कहते हैं. चित्रकार जो बनाता है उसे भी चित्रकारी ही कहते हैं.
नहीं, चित्रकार जो चित्र बनाता है, आर्टिस्ट, चित्रकार. और जो प्रोडक्ट है उसका नाम चित्र. चित्र और चित्रम, दैट प्रोडक्ट इज चित्र जो होता है, और जो करता है उसको बोलते हैं चित्रकारः, पुल्लिंग. उसका स्त्रीलिंग चित्र, चित्रकारी.
So for Sainiki, is it?
Sainiki.
Sainiki.
हर्षकार डाल दीजिए, सैनिकी। ओके, हर्षकार डाल दीजिए, धीबरी। ओके, धीबरी, नॉट धीबरा। सुवर्णकारी, सैनिकी, नॉट सैनिकारी, ऐसा नहीं, सैनिकी। अब देखो हर जगह में क्या होता, चित्रकार, चित्रकारी, जस्ट रिमूव विसर्ग पुट इकार, दैट्स ऑल। जिस सेटअप, पहला सेटअप। सेकंड सेटअप में क्या है, इक्का, इक्का प्रत्यय, इक्का प्रत्यय क्या है, आपणिका, आपणिकः, आपणिका। देन
विक्रयिका, गोपालिका, नहीं
हाँ जी, परफेक्ट।
गोपालिका, गोपालिका, सेविका, अध्यापिका, लेखिका, कृषिका, प्रबंधिका, निर्देशिका, पाचिका, चालिका, आरक्षिका, अर्चिका।
उसमें इज वेरी डिफिकल्ट जनरलाइज। So here the last letter is ka. Before ka, mostly the second letter is akaranta shabda. You see, mostly except the first two, the second letter is akaranta. Have you seen that? Second letter does not carry any matra.
Yes, sir.
But the first two are different. Apanika,
विक्रयिका।
see, apanikah and apanika. इसको अपनी का, अपनी काकी ऐसा नहीं होता है, वो काका काकी नहीं चलेगा, अपनी काकी ऐसा नहीं होता है, अपनी का, विक्रयिका। So already e is there, no? So we are making ika pratyaya in that e is already existing, ya e, that is related. In this existing, then just akar will be there. Rest other you see, but you come here, chitrakara, bharavaha, except karmakara, nata and karmakara, dhibara. See, it is also not following any formula. That is some higher grammar is required to know. Very senior class you may be able to know. So dhibara, nata, so they are not carrying second letter also. From right side you go, second letter does not having matra, dhibara, nata, nartaka, karmakara, bharavaha. No, sorry. This karmakara, but still it is following this pattern. So by abhyas you can get it. You read 1 or 2 times, it will automatically there. Then उसके नीचे और है क्या? ये क्या है? व्याघ्रः। उसमें क्या होगा? खाली आकर।
व्याधा।
Oh sorry, not व्याघ्र, sorry.
व्याधा, वैद्या।
वैद्या, व्याधा,
व्याधा, वैद्या।
व्याघ्र क्या होगा? व्याघ्र हो सकता है, और व्याघ्री शायद नहीं होगा, चेक करना पड़ेगा। व्याघ्र, व्याघ्री, लुक्स लाइक व्याघ्र, चेक करना पड़ेगा। व्याघ्र।
Should we say Baghini? We say in Bengali Baghini.
No, don't imagine like this. मैं बोल सकता ना, बाघिनी में भी बोल सकता हूँ। मदर टंग में जो है ना, उसके ऊपर पूरा भरोसा मत कीजिए, वो कंफ्यूज कर। यू टेक एडवांटेज ऑफ दैट, बट डोंट, थोड़ा चेक, इसीलिए मतलब चेक करना। नहीं तो बाघिनी बोल सकते ना, वो बाघिनी कभी नहीं होगा। मुझे जो जितना ख्याल है, बाघिनी कभी नहीं होगा। ओके, देख लेंगे उसको, डोंट वरी। ये हो गया प्रहेलिका एंड संग्रह विषय ऋण क्वेश्चन। संस्कृत वाग्मय परिचय, उसमें उपनिषद बारे में दिया गया। 108 उपनिषद, 10 उपनिषद वेरी फेमस। ये 10 को याद रखो, 1 मार्क मिल सकता है, गारंटी नहीं, क्वेश्चन आएगा तो मिलेगा। ये 10 को याद रखो जी,
सबके नाम याद रखने पड़ेंगे।
हाँ 10 यार, 108 थोड़ी बोल रहे हैं आपको, हम हिंदू है ना, ये 10 उपनिषद नाम याद रखना पड़ेगा।
वो श्लोक है, श्लोक याद रखेगा तो चलेगा।
महोदय, in this the same question, व्याधः, व्याधिका आ सकता है। व्याधिका, the example given अपनिका, विक्रियका, तो इका जो है ना, तो व्याधिका आ सकता है।
व्याधिका नहीं, व्याधा, वैद्या,
व्याधिका नहीं
भैया,
व्याधा
Because we have to add ika, no?
I have already told, no. व्याधा वैद्या
वैद्य इका आ सकता है कि इसमें लिखा तू ऐड इका
यार
लिखा है तो
व्याधा बोले ना, फिर वही इका
नहीं
होल्डिंग।
आएगा ना सर, अलग से इसीलिए दिया है।
कुछ दिया कहाँ दूसरा बुक में कुछ दिया क्या अलग ना, क्या बोल रहे हैं आप?
नहीं सर, मैं बोल रही इसीलिए उसको अलग कैटेगरी में डाला है ना कि नहीं
अलग
आ सकता है।
कैटेगरी दिया गया। सो इट इज व्याधा, वो शिकारी है ना, व्याधा सबर, सबर में क्या होगा? सबरी धिब ना, सबरी और सबरा, सबरी लगता है सबरी, उसको चेक करना पड़ेगा। द टू कैटेगरीज देयर, नो। दिस इज कारी सबरी, आई थिंक सबरी विल कम। सबरी, सबरा भी हो सकता है, सबरी लुक्स करेक्ट।
सबरी मतलब
सबर व्याधा है ना, जंगल में एक उपजाति रहते हैं और बहुत अच्छा उपजाति, सबसे जो नॉलेजेबल उपजाति रहते हैं जंगल में, उसको सबर बोल देते हैं। वो नॉर्मली वो किंग होते हैं और ना जंगल का अंदर में जो लीडरशिप वो करते हैं, एंड दे हैव मोर राइट विद द पशु शिकार, दे डोंट कट द ट्रीज। पशु शिकार इज मेन। Tree cutting another category people, like the different caste, they used to perform different activities. So lovely system has collapsed today. तो सवरा सबरी, सबरी है ना, सबर मलाई, सबरी राम जी को जो दिया था, वही कास्ट जी। ओके, पढ़ा लिखा संग्रह विषय, सॉरी ये बैग में नीचे अब एक छोटा श्लोक दिया गया। You can remember that shloka, that is one way to remember 10. Otherwise, you can remember as you like. First, as you like your own style. Second thing, one shloka has given. Third thing, you just see, you see, man nobody, E only one, Isa, that's all, nothing is there. Okay. Then, U में कुछ नहीं है, then go to A. So, E only, E दीर्घई में one, A, I में एक है, दो. After that, O nothing is there. So, two in Swaravana are getting two. Then go to ka varga mein kena katho, only two are there. Then go to cha varga, cha cha ja ja, only chandogya one is, chandogya is one is there. Okay, so ka varga mein two, cha varga mein two, one. Then cha, your cha cha ja ja ho gaya, and then ta tha da dha, ta tha da dha, no, nothing is there. Third mein kuch nahi hai. Then ta tha da dha, Taittiriya, one is there, or na mein nothing is there. So that varga only one. Then go to pa pha ba bha, prasno, manduka, mandukya. Three are there plus bruhad. Four is there in that. Pa pha ba bha. So most of important Upanishad is related to this pa pha group, no? Pa varga. Why no? Because always you are closing and opening your mouth. Pa pha ba bha. So four are there, that category. Like that हो गया, like that you can remember.
तो इसमें जो अंतिम अक्षर है इनके नामों में, हम इंग्लिश में लिख रहे हैं उपनिषद द, और यहाँ हिंदी में ता लिख रहे हैं। हमने पहले अध्याय में भी देखा था, उसमें द का प्रयोग हुआ था।
उपनिषद लिखा था क्या?
उपनिषद लिखा था,
द लिखा है सर, हिंदी बुक में द ही है।
हिंदी में क्या लिखा है?
द
नहीं, नीचे जो उपनिषद ऐसा लग, कठोप उपनिषद,
यस
ऐसा करके द लिखा,
द लिखा है, द में हलंत है।
कन्नड़ में त है,
तो होना चाहिए, ये प्रथम एकवचन में होना चाहिए। इट इज ना, व्हेन यू आर मेकिंग द रूप देन उपनिषद, बट ओरिजिनल शब्द लिखेंगे तो दिस इज मूल शब्द, यू आर कन्वर्टिंग टू शब्द रूप, देन इट विल कम। सो दोनों भी ठीक है, बालक लिखेगा, बालकः लिखेगा, दैट इज बोथ आर एक्सेप्टेबल। बालकः लिखेगा तो पीपल अंडरस्टैंड यू आर राइटिंग प्रथम एकवचन, सिंपल लाइट बालक। अभी सभा में कौन कौन है, मेकिंग शॉर्ट आंसर, इकासा, मदन, लक्ष्मी, पपिया, लाइक दैट यू राइट, इट इज ओके। और मदन, लक्ष्मी, like this, Rameswaram, you can write that Prathama Ekavachan, right, is okay. In short answers, you can write Mula Sabda or you write Prathama Ekavachan, both are okay. ठीक है, अच्छा, then ये हो गया। उसके बाद दर्शन, दर्शनम, दर्शनानी। कितना दर्शन है हमारा? इंपोर्टेंट दर्शन कितना है?
षड दर्शन, षड दर्शन,
षड दर्शन,
षड दर्शन।
हाँ सर,
इसमें षड दर्शन है
बट इधर
no yeah, see, it is basically darshan divided in two parts, one astika and astika. Under astika and astika you have whatever you can see that. So under astika you have 6. आस्तिक का मतलब क्या है? जो भगवान को विश्वास करता है आस्तिक ना, और क्या
सर? जो वेदों पर विश्वास,
हाँ, वेदों को मानता है, वेद इज द सोर्स, दे आर आस्तिक। रेस्ट और वेद भी नहीं बोलता भगवान है नहीं है, ऐसा कुछ नहीं। इसमें आदित्य है, वेद, आदित्य आल्सो पार्ट ऑफ वेद। तो हु सेज आवर धर्म इज बेस्ड ऑन विज्ञान, हमारा भगवान कोई नहीं है, वी आर मैन्युफैक्चर ऑफ गॉड, वी कैन क्रिएट एनी गॉड वी वांट, दैट इज आल्सो देयर इन वेद, दे आर आल्सो आस्तिक। नास्तिक कौन है? ये बुद्ध धर्म, जैन धर्म, जो भी जितना ही फिलोसफी है ना, ऑल आर गुरु रिलेटेड, सिंगल गुरु क्रिएटेड वन हवाक, दे आर अवे फ्रॉम वेद, सो दोज आर नास्तिक। काफिर नहीं है नास्तिक, प्लीज अंडरस्टैंड, don't understand that. We are doing Navaratri 9 days upavasa to create heaven in this planet. They do 1 month Ramjan. For what purpose? To finish others. Okay. So that is not a equivalent to your kind of things. Don't compare. So Nastika is meaning is different here, not kafir. हाँ जी, next. और फिर नास्तिक अंदर में कितना विभाग है? That time 3 were, not that time, this time also, because the most predominant is one Jaina, one Buddha, and Charvaka. Charvaka category everything else, Christian, Muslim, all kind of things. No, Yehudi coming to Charvaka category. Okay, this darshan you have to go through, then you understand that. आप दर्शन में MA कर सकते हैं, उसमें कुछ आवाज मिलेगा। Sanskrit is only the subject. If you do Kannada MA, you will get everything in Kannada. After Kannada MA, nothing is left out. It's not it. You do Hindi MA means you are aware of everything in Hindi, right or wrong? There is nothing you cannot say I don't know. But Sanskrit ऐसा नहीं है. If you do Darshan MA, Grammar MA, then you will do Sahitya MA, then Adityavad separate, then आपका जो पुराना का जो पुराण एक है, और ये शास्त्र की धर्म शास्त्र 1, like that you have 10 categories there. In each category also you will not able to know everything. Yeah, very interesting. Actually, they should made MA 3 year and 5 hour, like law, no law. Sanskrit people know other people can study Sanskritam. See, somebody should have Sanskrit subject at least BA, plus 2 तो छोड़ सकते हैं, अलग बात है. In BA it should be like so many BAs are 4 year is there, no graduation, medical graduation how many year? 5 year, no
6.
5 years, no not 6 year, 5 year.
5 years.
5 year. So Sanskrit BA can be 5 year, MA can be 2 year. So something like that, or MA can 3 year and 4 year it can be degree. Then only something will happen. In 3 year you will do MA, then you catch Panini grammar I am provident, or Sahitya I can provident. 2 year कुछ नहीं होगा. Sahitya matlab you cannot stuck up any place. Sahitya part will take care. Like that. Darshan means all darshan will over. You know Adityavad also how much you cover? Upanishad, your Gita, so Ashtavarka, so many things are there in Aditya. How much you can able to cover? The course also limited there. हाँ जी, ये हो गया आपका. ये आपको रिमेम्बर करना है. संख्या, योग्य, न्याय, all these things. Purva Mimamsa, Uttar Mimamsa, like that you remember. You will get 1 mark. Don't lose the mark in this. You remember, one is as a small child, you will get mark, will happy. But as a responsible adult, you are aware of your own culture. You do not know much about Veda. I do not know. Doesn't matter. But I know what is Veda, what is Upanishad, Darshan Shastra, kya hai. That very basic information you should have, no? But we know what is called delete, what is called storage, what is called video editing. We know all these things. But then who will know this? That is very important, right? Buddha का अंदर में भी सब डिवीजन है. Buddha is most powerful because that Shankaracharya time Buddhists are about to Today, how the internal enemy are destroying us, that time Buddhists were able to destroy entire India. They have complete grab, no? From Afghanistan, beyond that Turkestan area, from there to entire west was captured, including Maharashtra, everything, Madhya Pradesh captured, Odisha also captured, Bengal captured, where in south also Buddhists were there very well. In Tamil Nadu, all these places, they captured, they are completely about to, Hinduism about to die complete that time. Shankaracharya has revived. So इसीलिए बुद्धिस्ट दर्शन इज मोर बिकॉज इट्स सो पावरफुल, तो खंडन करने के लिए उसका डिटेलिंग किया गया उसमें. You have to go through this to know that. Okay, then काका स्टोरी आ गया, सुभाषितम हो गया. Yes, anything else particularly you want to talk, you want to tell me something, you want to have doubt, you can create also doubt, no problem, but you should enjoy the class, that is important.
ये प्रहेलिका का जो उत्तर है, इसमें बोला गया है प्रहेलिका में किम इच्छति नरः काश्याम. तो व्हाट डज एनीबडी एक्सपेक्ट्स, मनुष्य एक्सपेक्ट्स इन काशी नगरे. तो इट कैन बी बोथ मृत्यु और द जय ऑफ मृत्यु, मतलब मींस either death or a victory over death.
No, you give answer to that. ये आपने ऑडियो ठीक से सुना नहीं शायद. अच्छा,
मैंने सुना, काशी में हमें मृत्यु चाहिए और रण में राजा को विक्ट्री, जय चाहिए.
हाँ.
और किसकी पूजा करने से सबकी पूजा हो जाती है, तो कहा महादेव है ना. इन सबका एक ही उत्तर देना है. जब एक ही उत्तर देना है तो पहले वाले का आंसर मृत्यु है, दूसरे का जय है और तीसरे का मृत्युंजय है.
हाँ, जब आप मृत्युंजय बोलते हैं तो मृत्यु इज गोज टू फर्स्ट वन, जय गोज टू नेक्स्ट वन, थर्ड क्वेश्चन गोज टू मृत्युंजय. ये ट्रिक है ना प्रहलिका में. अब मैथमेटिकल फॉर्मूला मत खोजिए, सिर्फ ढूंढेगा मैथमेटिकल तो प्रॉब्लम हो जाएगा. इट्स अ ट्रिक है, एंजॉयबल थिंग्स. समस्या प्रहलिका इज वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग. ये शब्द में ये जोड़ देंगे, ये जोड़ देंगे. जैसा बोलते हैं आकाश से आया एक बच्चा, क्या बोलते हैं, उसके सिर पर एक टिक्का. कौन बोलो ना, जो पाम फ्रूट है ना, पाम फ्रूट जब पक्का हो जाता है वो ऊपर से गिरता है और ये देखने के लिए सुंदर होता है. उसका सिर पर अच्छा से टोपा रहता है. ये ब्लैक कलर के डार्क कलर में एक थोड़ा लाइट कलर रहता है, येलो इज ग्रीन, और बीच में एक अच्छा सा बिंदी रहता है. हैव यू सीन दैट पाम फ्रूट? देखा नहीं मिस्ट्री भगिनी? पाम फ्रूट में वो ताल खाया नहीं?
हाँ सर. हाँ,
वो क्या है, इसको बोलते हैं आकाश से आया एक युवक जिसका सिर पर टिका है. लाइक ऐसा करके तो इंटेलेक्ट को एक्सरसाइज करते हैं ना. हाँ, उसी हिसाब से देखना जी.
Sir, I think sir, there is related श्लोक is there. मृत्युंजय महादेव ताहि माम शरणागतम जन्म मृत्यु जरा व्याधि पीड़ितम कर्म बंधन. मीन्स महादेव इज द, महादेव आपको मृत्यु में भी जय मिलेगा. मीन्स आप मृत्यु को भी आप हरा सकते हैं. Something like that, right?
Yeah, that's why his name is मृत्युंजय.
Yeah, मृत्युंजय.
उसे हनुमान को तपस्या करने से मृत्युंजय करेंगे बोले गारंटी नहीं है, लेकिन विष्णु को पूजा करेंगे गारंटी नहीं. बट महादेव टॉक लाइक दिस. महादेव को पूजा करने से, ध्यान करने से मृत्यु ऊपर भी जय हो सकता है. मर्त्य भुवन में वही अकेला है जो आपको मृत्युंजय दे सकता है. ब्रह्मा जी मना कर देंगे. मस्त मस्त.
वो सब, ये सब कुछ.
लक्ष्मी भगिनी, डोंट सरप्राइज. नेक्स्ट क्लास में मंडे you will also say Brahma ji mast is coming tomorrow. Don't worry, you will also start talking. They know this. Okay.
मार्कंडे ऋषि है ना, जो युगों तक जीवित रहते हैं. प्रलय के बाद भी रहते हैं, प्रलय से पहले भी रहते हैं, हमेशा रहते हैं. उनकी कथा है ना वो मृत्युंजय वाली. शिव जी की उपासना करके उन्होंने मृत्यु को जीता.
हाँ, जी. यस, हो गया. और कुछ शब्द को आप थोड़ा देख लीजिए स्मॉल ग्रुप में. डोंट स्पेंड लॉट ऑफ टाइम. जो टाइम आप दिया गया हाफ एन आवर, अप्रोक्सीमेटली 45, जो रूटीन दिया गया डेली हिसाब से आप कर दीजिए. डोंट थोड़ा आगे पीछे करके टाइम यू कैन चेंज इट, बट द ड्यूरेशन 30 minutes 1 hour, you keep the duration every day. You fix time 6 o'clock not working, you make it in late night, you can make early morning, doesn't matter, but finish that day work and you will get the benefit. You will get tremendous benefit. Like the way Giridhar Mahodaya charged to learn the Sanskritam, if you follow the routine, every day is spending approximately 1 hour for Pravesa, wonder result will come. You cannot believe this. Wonderful result will come. धीरे 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 जाके आप कहीं भी पहुंच सकते हैं. At the end of 2 years, you start writing and start anubad. You start doing any anubad. You can do Telugu to Sanskritam, Sanskrit to English, all kind of things you can do. Start writing, all things possible. All things possible.
कल हम प्रैक्टिस, हैबिट और अभ्यास को डिस्कस कर रहे थे कि मुझे सुबह जल्दी उठना चाहिए. अगर मैं उसे प्रैक्टिस करूंगा तो वो अभ्यास है कि साधना है. एक शब्द आप ढूंढ रहे थे, उड़िया में है. मुझे मराठी में शब्द मिला, मराठी या तेलुगु में शब्द मिला, वो साधना मिला.
साधना मिला. नहीं दो, साधना तो और बड़ा चीज हो गया. सी, एक इंग्लिश में बोलते हैं एक हैबिट है और वन एक्सरसाइज. आर द सेम? नो, नहीं. Exercise is done deliberately to achieve better result. You have to put effort, which is not your habit today. You are putting effort to bring your habit. That period is called exercise, abhyasa. जो habit आपको बन गया, you cannot deny, automatically happen. You need not to bother getting up, doing that. You don't bother at all. That is your habit.
सर, अभ्यास के लिए इच्छा शक्ति का होना बहुत जरूरी है. विल पावर.
करेक्ट. हाँ,
और
हैबिट के लिए इच्छा शक्ति जरूरत नहीं. एग्जैक्टली. ये deliberately, consciously, effortfully, what you are doing for higher result to bring a change in you, permanent change in you, that is called abhyasa. Absolute definition is this. And what is effortlessly happening automatically, that is habit. Very easily you can distinguish. अभ्यासा एक अच्छा सा एक मैं सुना था हमारा परमार्थानंद के साइड में. He said अभ्यास means, है ना, हाँ, अभ्यास means he has split अभ्यास into 3 terms. One is he said निरंतर, दीर्घकाल, सश्रद्धा. ब्यूटीफुल. मैं भूल नहीं सकता वो दिन. निरंतर, दीर्घकाल, सश्रद्धा. If 3 words satisfied, that is abhyasa. If you are doing without shraddha, not that much attachment, devotion, then it is not shraddha. आप फोर्सफुली आपका वाइफ बोल रहा है प्रणाम करते हो, 2 दिन वाइफ नहीं देखता तो प्रणाम बंद. वो सश्रद्धा नहीं ना, वो नहीं चलेगा. जो श्रद्धा में होता है वो ये लन. आप देखो ना, अभी तक आप जो सक्सेस हुआ जो एरिया में, वो श्रद्धा एरिया. निरंतर, निरंतर समझते हैं. दीर्घकाल, सश्रद्धा. What you do, there only result comes.
Yes.
There happiness comes. Very beautiful. Result is not coming, doesn't matter. You'll get happiness. That also there.
Satisfaction actually.
हाँ, that is the other name of life also. ठीक है.
Yes.
So we'll close it.
सर प्लीज मुझे प्रवेशा 2 में ऐड कर लीजिएगा, तो मुझे भी वो शेड्यूल मिल जाएगा और ऑडियो वीडियो मिल जाएगा.
हाँ जी, हाँ जी. प्रवेश जी, अभी प्रवेश में जो अभी आपका 8 people हैं, 32, other 6, the 12 people there, no? Ranjana Bhagini, and who is contacting? Who is taking charge of connecting? Deepa Bhagini, na? Deepa Bhagini and Ranjana Bhagini. You are connecting, no? Connect it. And same Sambhashana group, second group Sambhashana we can utilize for 2 purposes. Instead of making another group, no? We can make 2 purpose. Okay. And after the course over, your will shift to you the Sambhashana main group, Sambhashana 1 group, we can shift it directly instead of splitting now 2 groups, because around 25 people are giving exam, only 7-8 people. For 7-8 people, why you will make another group? Are you getting me or not? 1 group is another headache also. Some group there 50 people are joining for Sambhashana, only 20 people are 30 people are there for Pravesa, then you have to make a group. Otherwise so many people get disturbed. But here only few people are there. Okay, let us continue. The second Sambhashana is for your Pravesa. So Pandey Bhagini, you are not there in Sambhashana 2, na?
Pravesha 2, sir. Pravesha 2.
Maybe nahi ho, sir.
Don't go Pravesha 2 all these things. Are you there in Sambhashana 2 group? No, I'll add it there. Okay. Pravesha 2, those are completed. Pravesha 2, our Lakshmi Hati, Mohini Bhagini, and they have completed, no? Sita Bhagini. So that is Pravesha just over 2 weeks before. They are in Pravesha 2. Your is Pravesha 3 should be there. So why will make Pravesha 3? Sambhashana 2 will continue.
Okay.
ठीक है जी.
जी, थैंक यू।
सो शांति मंत्र। सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः, सर्वे सन्तु निरामयाः, सर्वे
भद्राणि पश्यन्तु
मा कश्चित्
मा
दुर्भाग्
कश्चित्
भवेत्।
दुर्भाग् भवेत्।
ओम शांति
शान्ति शान्ति
शांति।
शान्तिः।
धन्यवादः।
धन्यवादः धन्यवादः महोदय।
धन्यवादः।
राम
धन्यवादः।
राम राम। आगामी शनिवासरे मिलामः, निश्चयेन मिलामः। आगामी शनिवासरे एव मिलामः।
आगामी शनिवारे एव मिलामः, निश्चयेन मिलामः।